I've seen a lot of weird things jumping motorcycles. A lot of these things right there. It's like they're monitoring the airs. They buzz you all the time when you're jumping motorcycles, but they're real hard to see because they're fast. Now watch this right here. You're going to see this thing and it's going to come across this way. Let's watch this in fast motion a few times. Let me know if you see it. Now let's slow it down. If this was a bird, wouldn't it be flying away from the motorcycle that's making a lot of noise, not come right towards it? Are these native species? Are they unknown species? Are they interdimensional? Do they come out of the ground? Let me know in the comments.